Buenos dias or buenas tardes. I hope you and your family are well. Let me walk you through a few things that we will be doing here in this week. Get to our courses first. Uh, says unpublished now. It will be published by the time you are actually watching this, but inside of here you'll see um, the usual list of things to do with a couple things that I will connect you with. But we'll walk through a couple of things. First of all, if you've missed any part of the Llama and Lima, if you didn't get 7 out of 7 and you'd like to get some credit back, click there and you can do that. This is what we're talking about right here. Um, there's some verb reviews, things we need to get back on verbs, folks. So please work your way through these. It'll be good practice for you, and eventually you're going to need to be able to conjugate those verbs. Um, then we get on to the story that has also, when you finish reading the first 3 chapters of that story, then you will come back into here and do the little reading quiz, little comprehension quiz after you have read that. Then we're going to prepare ourselves for a Senior Wooly video. Not this, we'll prepare for it this week, and then next week we'll actually watch it. So there is a worksheet that you need to do. It is for a completion grade, and you can find that also back here in Schoology. Puedo ir al baño is the Wooly video that we'll watch. Right now we're just getting ready for it. Okay, so that, and then of course the feedback form, and that is for a completion grade. That is very helpful to me and helpful to you. So make sure you do. You see back here at the bottom, there are the 3 things for a grade. We have 2 for completion, 1 for an actual real reading grade. But if you need to get some of this other practice in too, otherwise things are going to get a little rough for you down the road. By the way, quédate en tu casa, that song means stay in your house. And if you want to check to see how you did on that Robinson Cano assignment from a week or so ago, you can check there. Ahora un poco de conversación, ¿vale? Bueno, buenos días o buenas tardes. Gracias por estar aquí. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy feliz y no estoy enfermo. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué día es hoy? ¿Qué día es mañana? Y ayer fue... ¿Cuál es la fecha? If it's Monday, es el 27 de abril 2020. Es el 27 de abril 2020. If you waited till Friday to do this, then we have a new month, and that would be not abril, but mayo. Repetí, mayo. Bien, mayo is what you put on a sandwich. This is mayo. Muy bien. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 10:30 de la mañana aquí. Pero para ti, ¿qué hora es? ¿De dónde eres? Soy de Ohio. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde es tu amigo? Es de... No sé. Mi amigo es de Arizona. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 60 años, pero ¿cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tiene tu amigo? Mi amigo tiene 61 años. ¿Cuántos años tiene tu amigo? ¿Qué llevas hoy? Yo llevo una sudadera gris, unos jeans azules y unos calcetines grises. Estoy en casa, no llevo zapatos. ¿Qué llevas? Don't forget to start with yo llevo. ¿En qué piensas hoy? Yo pienso en mis clases. ¿Y tú qué piensas hoy? What are you thinking about? ¿Qué deporte prefieres? And sorry, this screencast-o-matic cuts off some of the screen here at the bottom, but I think you can figure out those sports. Mi deporte favorito es el atletismo y el cross. ¿Y tú qué deporte prefieres? Yo prefiero el atletismo y el cross. ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre? Me gusta leer y me gusta pasar un rato con mis amigos. ¿Y tú qué te gusta hacer? Remember, if you're talking about yourself, you'll start with me gusta. Muy bien, esto es todo. Looking forward to seeing all your great work this week. Hasta luego.